Sir, I know from the Minister whether the government will continue to support, to give salary support to the deficit school in the future, or is there any plan on the part of the government to stop giving salary support to the deficit school?
Speaker, sir, there is the question does not arise of, stopping a salary support to the teacher, to the deficit system. Sir, this will continue. But, sir, however, sir, there are demands from the deficit school teachers and the college teachers. There are two demands, sir. One of the demands from the management, the certain schools and the college in the deficit pattern, they are requesting government for autonomy, but government yet to be decided. And also on the other around, the teachers, the SMCs, the many schools on the deficit pattern, deficit system, they are demanding for taking over for provincialization of the schools from the government. So both of the demand is yet to be decided or examined by the government as of now. So the existing will continue.
So why I'm asking this question, sir, because in the process of implementing kylli education grant, I was told by many heads of institutions that it seems the plan of the government seems to do away with the deficit school system, where they ask the schools to be provincialized, or else you cease to get the grant from the government. So that amounts to doing away with deficit school system. So may I know whether the government is in that move to do away with all the deficit system? Because I know that there are only few ad hoc schools, deficit colleges, that are willing to be provincialized. But the majority of these schools are not willing. So in the case of their rejection to the proposal of the government, what will happen to the future of these schools?
Though the Minister has already replied, sir, I take this opportunity to clarify this very, very sensitive issue on the floor of the House. Sir, the government's intention is not to disturb anybody. We would want status quo to continue. But from different schools, different demands keep coming to us. So there are different organizations and associations and schools that come up with one request. Then in that same category, there's another group of schools who come up with another request. And therefore, it's a very complicated situation for us to be able to come out with one solution that will fit everybody. As clearly mentioned, there are some schools who have asked us to provincialize, to actually take over those schools. And government should take over, and they've written to us and informed to us. And on the other hand, there are those schools who are very clear that they want the deficit pattern to continue. And in that process, sir, as we always do, sir, we have been very, very clear in all issues that we have been facing as a government, that we believe in dialogue. We believe in consultation. We believe in discussion. And that is exactly what we're doing right now, sir.